Okay, I'm curious, this is so off mark, but what's interesting with your past is somehow you're intertwined with Ellen Adarna in a weird way. Do you know each other?
Hindi.
Like, no hi, you never bumped into each other?
I met her
nothing?
once.
Oh.
Naka-hangout ko siya. Kami pa ni John Lloyd. Then, may boyfriend din siya nun eh.
Hearing now what she's been going through with your own ex, what are you thinking about?
Parang nadismaya in a way na parang, oh, talaga ba?
Nalungkot ka din, no? Oo.
Hinanap ko yung sadness, pero parang hindi eh. Parang, noong una, hinahanap ko yung pake ko talaga noong una. May pake ba ako? Wala naman akong pake, pero, yun nga, parang may ano lang ako na, talaga ba? Alam ko kasi 10 years ang agwat namin nung ex ko eh. So, parang medyo, kung 39 ako, so baka almost 50 na siya. So, parang, nagulat lang ako.
Oo.
Baka yun yung term, nagulat lang ako na, hindi pala kumalma.
Do you think you and Ellen can be friends? I'm curious.
Feeling ko, marami ko yung pag-uusapan. Wag lang niya isi-screenshot ah. Wag lang niya i-record. Hindi pa nga ako na-invite sa group chat eh.
Okay, but you are not saying any of this in bad faith, diba? You're being lighthearted
Oh
about
yes.
it.
Oh, yes.
You
And
are.
alam mo, I wish her well.
You do.
Yes. Kasi of course,
It's from
madadaanan
one
ko yun.
woman to another.
Yes. Having 2 kids. Hirap nun.
Oo.
And nakikita ko yung ibang stories niya madadaan sa algorithm ko. Mukha siyang okay na mom. Diba? Parang you wish her well. Diba? Go te. Galingan mo dyan.
Oo.
Diba?
And I think it's also because you're very happy now.
Mm.
Dear, kung hindi ka happy now,
Baka iba-iba pa na sabi ko, hindi ako masaya ngayon. Sabihin ko talaga, ikaw totoo naman, di pa natuto sa akin. Yun, mabibitawan ko yun noon.